Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to evening here in the An Thuong area. We are here, a cute puppy first, hello. We are here at the 43, I think this is the 43 coffee, if I'm not wrong. Lots of coffee, lots of kois here. But yeah, very stylish coffee shop, but not my favorite. I'd rather go to a Vietnamese coffee shop. Way nicer. We have the An Thuong tourist town sign here, and we're gonna walk here. This is the entrance to the beer street, I would call it, or the bar street. Here are lots of bars here, left and right. It's of course way too early now, but I will show you how it looks now. And maybe we will find some new restaurants or bars or pubs would pop out. Because I haven't been here for 2 or 3 weeks and I want to check it out. This is also a banh mi stand, also coffee. This is the An Thuong 5 street here. Yeah, we're gonna take a little stroll. I just signed up for gym today, so maybe I will have also soon another channel, Sammy the fitness influencer guy or something. Very loud here. Yeah, I don't understand why people having to drive in such a low gear around here. But yeah, it is what it is. Hookah pub. It's still old, I think. Oh my God, this is brand new. Guys, what happened here? Oh my God. Tom's Bar. This was when I came here the first time to Da Nang, and I had some pints with my English friends that I just newly had. The English guys, we had a beer here 3 years ago, and now it's done. My God, what's going on here? But yeah, this is very sad to see. Tom's Bar is over. Wow, out of nothing. So keep an eye on it. I think something will pop out here very soon. Bello Pizzeria, very good, especially if you want to have a late night pizza, which will not be in my diet anymore. Late night pizzas, no thanks. Yeah, but Bello is very late open. Yeah, this is also very popular right now, corner music bar. Often there are some DJs now there. And Olivia Pizza, also very popular on Grab, on the food delivery service here. Here's a cigar lounge. So if you're into cigars, and get one free wine glass from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay, guys, a free glass of wine. Maybe you have to have a cigar or something. But also they have coffees here. Yeah. Right in between the bar area is like a recycling spot, I guess. So they recycle here lots of plastics, and there's also a motorbike repair shop. Oh wow, what's going on here? So much going on here. This is the Funky Donkey, also very popular, but starts very late. So at this time of the day, yeah, not that much going on. The Garden Bar and Kitchen, one of the longest bars here. Also lots of pool, and wow, what's going on in here? Wow, okay. Next to the Happy Heart Cafe is a new construction site. Guys, this changes here all the time. That's why I'm walking here now. You will probably also think like, you've just been here 1 week ago and it wasn't like that. Yeah. This is a ice cream shop, which I will also not go anymore. And blends. This here is actually super busy always. Tuesdays, I think there's the ladies' night. Please, Roman, if you watch this video, please let us know. On Tuesday is the ladies' night, right? Yeah. This is very busy on Tuesdays, and sometime I think on Saturdays as well. Yeah. Very busy spot, very popular. Ah. Very interesting, guys. What do we have here? Thai food. Huh. Then we have the Heaven Bar here, also very popular. I feel like Corona made a huge advertising campaign here in the whole streets here. I see so many Corona signs. And Peugeot. Wow, Peugeot. Interesting. It's very rare that you see a French car here. So here, this is the end of the official bar street here. We are at the Mai Tuk Lan intersection. And if you go to the left, you have lots of local beer bars and seafood places where you can eat and have beers. And the same goes to this direction, all right? And also, you know what? Let's walk there because lots of things change there as well. And I think something big is coming there too. Now, I think you all knew Detroit Pizza. It closed over there in the corner, but let's see what's happening over there. Those are also not stray dogs. Those are dogs with, they have a tag or something. They just belong to some kind of house and they just roam around. It's also a very interesting place here to live. I reviewed it with Kenny one time. Yeah, this is also very nice Vietnam local eatery. Not as full as usual. Very interesting. Huh. So we're starting here with the latest Vietnamese beer place. I love those places. Cheap beer and very good food. I really like this beer food type of things. Hello. Yeah, it's very nice. You can get lots of these beer towers as well, but also normal beer, cans and bottles. We got a billiard room here, also very popular with locals. And what is this here? Indian restaurant. Very empty, but yeah, I think they usually get some bus tourists, if I'm not wrong. Lots of face masks. This is very sad to see. This is what the pandemic really made bad, guys. This mask disaster in the world. I want to know how many masks are in the ocean right now. Absolutely insane. Very sad to see. All those nasty masks. Another billiard place over there. Full market. That's still the same. And the High 4 coffee and co-working spot. All right. And now, this was the Detroit Pizza before, but they closed down. So now they're already starting hiring at the Brouhaha. Brouhaha. I actually saw Brouhaha in the Hai Chow area. So this will also be food and beer place. And already here there's some couture place. That's pretty nice. And guys, look at this. The An Thuong area got another ATM. But be aware, they also charge fees, of course. But another big change right now, huge change. I heard now often TP and VP Bank, what I always said is free of charge to pull out money. They also charge fees now. But I will test it for you and I will let you know. But don't forget to subscribe to my main channel. But you will also get the best infos in my Google Maps guide. Check it out, get my Google Maps guide, and you will always be up to date. Look at this stylish VF3. My God, can't make this up. This is beautiful. This is amazing. Look at all the colors. It's yellow. Yeah, I love this car. Yeah, and this one, I just went there for my friend David's birthday. We had a very nice time here at the Taksua, also another beer place. Very nice. We got a spa over here. My wife tried it out once. She said it was nice, but a little bit pricey. And this here is also brand new. This is like a coffee shop. It looks like an old Bavarian Gasthaus, Wirtshaus. All right. That's also the German word for today, Wirtshaus. It's like usually in Bavaria, like a very old school wooden thing, and yeah, you just drink beer and eat good food, German food, Wirtshaus. Yeah, it's basically a restaurant. But this here, Tak Sua Kwan, very good. Very popular with locals, big groups, usually birthday parties, lots of birthday parties. So you will see a lot of birthday singing and good atmosphere. Everyone is super friendly, especially if you come alone and you drink beer, you will make Vietnamese friends, especially in these places. They're always cheersing with you, super friendly, super welcoming people. Yeah, they usually, if Vietnamese on the daytime look a little bit grumpy, they're usually working and focusing on work, but after work, they're super friendly and yeah, drinking some beers, they're always down to have a cheers with you. Yeah, very friendly people, great location there, especially with your bigger crew. The beer is 50 cents, okay, 50 cents, 50 US or Euro cents, it's very cheap. The Outpost bar, also very popular. Hostel and also bar. But here, Con Cafe. If you get into Vietnamese coffee and you want to have it cool, just try out Con Cafe, it's also good. It's a little bit overpriced, but at least you have nice AC and it looks pretty cool. Yeah. But for me personally, I like those little stands, like the small little family-run businesses, not the big corporations, when it comes to coffee. Yeah. This is also Good Fork here in the An Thuong 5 Street. Yeah, so this is basically, oh, this looks also very nice now. Very colorful at night. Yeah, I should walk out at night more often. Yeah, let me know in the comments, is the picture good? Yeah. People now coming from their afternoon and sunset swim from the beach. Yeah, this is a very popular street, the Hoan Kivim Street. I also, my God, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my main channel, Social Sammy. I think I found a very, very hidden gem today. I filmed it with my wife, Emma. We filmed it and yeah, it's a great hotel at the Han River. I just walked in. They opened up this month actually, and they only have one review on Agoda. Crazy. I went in there and asked to see a room and they were super friendly. Yeah, showed me everything. I think this is gonna be a very good hotel if you wanna be at the Han River. Yeah. This is Banh Mi, still open. Always a good option if you just start out eating Vietnamese food, have a banh mi. It is not really super authentic, but it is a great sandwich, whatever they serve here. They have weird kind of mixes there too. Yeah, which is not usual bacon and cheese or egg. It's not usually in a banh mi, but a banh mi is a banh mi. And banh mi just means bread, you know? And whatever you put in there, it's a banh mi. And the bread is actually the superstar because the bread is just so fluffy and beautiful. I absolutely love this bread. You cannot compare it really with a baguette because it's just more fluffier and nicer. And to be honest, I love Da Nang banh mi's the most because they're just the right size. I think Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh City is too big, the banh mi's. They're too big. I'd rather have two small ones, or I can have a small little banh mi right before dinner, so this is great. Or like a little bit. But those big banh mi's in the north and south, they're too much. And I'm not a fan of the bread. The bread here in the central region of Vietnam is beautiful, fantastic, tremendous, fantastic. What else? Immaculate. Immaculate. Yeah. So we are now in the Le Quan Dao Street here. I'm gonna take my steps in. I'm gonna walk more and more. I'm actually gonna have long walks now because Sammy gotta lose weight and Marcus does not believe in me. Yeah, so maybe I will do a daily update and film my weight, and then we will see. At the moment it's very humid, so sweating is no problem. Having your daily 10,000 steps in will not be a problem, especially with this walking channel here. Yeah, so stay tuned guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and by the way, a like is free. A subscription is also free. But you can also become a Patreon and support me over there. Become a Patreon and join our Patreon meetups. I will do way more there soon, and we'll have lots of Patreon benefits soon. Don't sleep on that. Right, now we're in the An Thuong 30th Street. Let's see how it looks here when the sun goes down. Is it nice and safe? Yes, it is. The only safety issue you have is maybe the motorbikes driving on the street, and you have to walk on the street because the motorbikes, the sidewalks are used as motorbike parking spots. The Solis is also open at night. They don't have food yet, I heard, but they will have it soon, so yeah, pretty good. I'm gonna definitely try it out when they have food. I think there's gonna be a brunch spot and coffee spot. This is also very interesting what's happening over here. I'm wondering what they're gonna do here. And another thing, super important guys, Buck just moved from next to the butcher shop. They moved here to, this is very good for exchanging money here. Now they also have travel SIM cards. I will check it out if it's good or not, but definitely go here for exchanging cash. Cash, either way here or the wood guy. My wood guy, super friendly guy. This is section 30 here, also very good. I should go back there. You know, sometimes it's a little bit hot because there's not much wind going on. And look at this. So this is first another update here. Not sure what this is gonna be. Comment in below. What do you think it's gonna be? A bar or a coffee shop? At least that's how it looks. So here, something they're gonna build here, something too. But look at this. Look at this. They're gonna open up soon. They're working non-stop now. I think this is gonna be open up soon again. I really like this view here at night. When the high rises lit up. Beautiful. Especially the view that we're gonna have here right to the left. Oh, I'm interested. Is this gonna be apartment building or a hotel? Huh. Very interesting, guys. It looks very fancy, the photos. Yeah. I'm not sure if they're gonna have a toilet with an ocean view, but I think it's gonna be very modern and nice. Yeah, this is what I absolutely love here. This view. You walk, you have all, it has to be a little bit more dark to be completely nice and lit up. And I think this will be also look super nice in a few months whenever they open up. Very nice. You get some massages here. And then this is the way to the beach. This is the way to the beach, guys. The banh mi stand is open. Okay guys, so with those durian selling people, I will end up this stream. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out this video here. Beautiful. Check it out. Thank you so much and see you in the next walk.